Hey guys, today I'll show you how to I'll be replacing the foot pegs on my M109. As you can see, I had the floorboards on this one. That's the one that I got. But since the previous owner had an accident on the left hand side, it's actually quite sitting low and it's a bit wobbly as well. And it's not my preference to have floorboards, as it seems like quite big as well. So I thought I'll actually replace them back into the factory ones. So I got a set from eBay, which looks like this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. There you go. So I got the foot pegs, the springs, the bolts, and also the end weights as well there. So let's give it a crack. I'm just gonna remove the existing floorboard here. Just zoom it a little bit for you guys. There you go. So at the end of the bolt, there's like a small lock there just to hold the pin. So I just use the screwdriver, flat screwdriver, just to take it out. So it looks something like that. I don't know if you can see it properly. So I'm just gonna give it a push from the back. So there you go. Got the bolt out. And now the floorboard's out as well. Just leave it there. Just gonna install the new ones. That's the right one. On this one you can see there's like a cross cut over there, so you need to make sure the spring actually sits inside it, and then just going to use the same bolt because it seems like the correct size. So the right one is. The springs are different as well, so let's see which one's the correct one. Yep, looks like it's this one here. So just gonna push it in, turn it a bit. Is the bloody hole going? There we go. And that's a bit of a mission. That's going through, that's good. I'll just put it the board lock again. Go. All secure. Now all I have to do is the other side. So let's give it a try. Just go like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is replace the left hand side floorboard as well. I'm just going to replace it with one of the factory ones. So again, I just need to take off that clip. Go push the board. And then just pull it out. This one seems to be a little bit crooked as well. Now, let's see if that blows in. I'll probably need a hammer to give it a slight tap. The existing board is a bit crooked. There you go. They're going in all right. Just gonna push the clip. All right. All I have to do is just put the end weight, just screw it in. There you go. Oh, let's see. All right. That's pretty good. Great. So that's how I replaced my foot pegs. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Any issues or questions, let me know. Thanks.